Good afternoon, everybody. I have a daily and a weekly chart on BIIB, Biogen, biotech stock, February 19th, $350 calls up and out of the money. We're going to show you what, where, and why, and how Free Option Trader is a market maker. This is not your traditional bull crap without option trading. It's a whole different level. We make the markets. So I'm going to come back to the option tree and we're going to go through what we call the daily chart. And I have a complete breakout. I have a daily buy signal. The stock has been on a tear. We're up here at major resistance levels on BIIB. Biogen is one of the leading biotech companies out here in the whole world. And it is. They've been around a long time. We've traded it back in the 90s and whatnot. Now I'm going to show the weekly chart on Biogen. You want to see? Here. It's about ready to pop a weekly buy signal. As far as the weekly moving averages go on Biogen, you can take a look here. We're above the 200-week moving average at 304. We're above the MA 40-week moving average. Here, I'll blow it up a little bit more. You can see it very clearly. The green line's a 200-week. We're above the 20-week. We're above the 40-week. We're above the 50-week, which is the black line. We're above the 10-week. We have cleared it all. Not only that, this baby's been on a rip, and we've made a lot of money on Biogen. I can tell you right now, if you're looking for a bull chart out here, this is it. This is the one. Now, I've done showed that part, so here's what I'm going to show now on the daily chart. Basically, it goes as follows. 99% of the people who trade options have never seen an options chart. This is the Biogen February 19th $350 call chart. And that has a nice little range, as I can show you the bid and ask. Here is the $350 call up and out of the money. Now, we've been buying these things forever. They were down $1.98. $7.95 was on the high. $6.20 was on the low. Now, just let me caution everybody on one thing. When we're trading biotech, this is the godfather of biotech stocks and whatnot. But here's another thing that we do. Because biotech can be volatile, the charts are great, the trades are great. But on the other flip side, when we're looking at, and this is the call chart that all of you option traders trade options that never see them, never use them, probably don't even know that they exist because your retail brokers don't have them. We're a market making firm in options. 702-685-0772. Call us. Get in our free 5-day trial. We do the entries and we do the exits. These have a nice little setup on them. Only 11 volume was traded, but we know how to buy at the low and sell out at the high. And we're using that time premium. Now, on the flip side, the $310 put option is extremely cheap, and that is a hedge below the market, just in case there's a problem. And these are totally deflated in value. So basically, when we're buying down here on a $310 put for February monthly option, is that we're willing to protect our capital. That is the main thing that we do. And we pick the best, the strongest on the charts, daily, weekly, monthly, breakouts, everything. But once again, as a market maker, and that's what you want to be, you deserve to learn what a market maker is and how they operate versus your day trading and your bull crap option stuff that's outdated and everything else. It's a whole new different game. So when we look at buying the bottom, we look at getting this very cheap in case there's an announcement. Nobody ever knows, but this is how we do business as a market maker. So once again, this is got a $310 put chart. It's down here at its lows. Once again, when you go back to the $350 price target up here of the call option, 350 strike, and then you have this side of the market covered, and this is a call chart. This one is set ready to go. I already went over the daily and the weekly charts. It's time to get busy. Once again, join our free live day trading room. Watch us in action. Treat yourself good. Give yourself the benefit of the doubt to see what's real. Here and now.